This video demonstrates how to install the contactless encoder in the FARGO INK1000. Open the printer from its box. The HID OmniKey 5127CK Mini is a dual encoder for 13.5 MHz and 125 kHz encoding. Move the printer towards the side and press the tab to open the side door. The contactless encoder is installed at the area shown in red. Pull the tab towards you to allow the encoder to lock in place. Route the USB cable under the side frame. Lift the door to pass the USB cable under. Close the side door. Plug in the power supply and PC laptop USB cord. Press the power button on in the front to switch it on.